Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, February the 10th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. You don't have to be a member. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Eastern Time. I share my screen, and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, there is still time to sign up for the test drive. You'll only get 4 days, and I think that works out to $2.25 a day. So if you sign up when you get this email, you'll have Tuesday to Friday inclusive. You'll be able to sample our premium service for those 4 trading days. And also, if you're a standard subscriber and you want to upgrade for those 4 days, you can do so. It still costs you the $8.99. Say this is we're doing this now for 2 weeks. This is the second time for the test drive that we've done it for 2 weeks, and man, talk about enthusiasm. We've broken all of our records for people signing up. We broke records last time in November, and we've shattered those this time. So anyway, a lot of enthusiasm for people signing up for the test drive. So for me, because it's been the test drive, I hardly traded at all last week, and I really didn't do very much today. I took a little trade on Teva. I still like Teva longer term. I got in this one at 12.44, and I basically sold at 12.34, sold at 12.44, and then on the way down. I was saying in the room that if you look at the daily chart, you'll see exactly. I really only took this trade just to sort of take a trade today. But look at the daily chart. You can see the high right there is 12.50. The high right there, 12.49. The high right there now is 12.46. It really just has to take this out. If it takes this out, and it may happen today, but if it doesn't happen today, if it happens tomorrow or sometime this week, this could turn into a really interesting looking trade. You can see why. Look at that monthly chart. Look at the room it's got to 15. You look at the weekly chart, the same sort of thing. You know, look at the room it's got. It just has to take out, those 3 days, and now maybe the 4th day, right around that 12.50 mark. So anyway, we'll have to see. Some interesting ones from I would be watching from the AI today. We have this one, HCHC. I'd be definitely watching this one if it can take out 4. Again, another one where you just have to look left on the daily chart, on the weekly chart actually, and just sort of see the room. It's already had let's see, February 12th pre-market is when it releases. So actually it's going to have, so on Wednesday, before the market opens on Wednesday. But let's see if it can take out this tomorrow in advance of that, see if there are a lot of enthusiastic people thinking that it's going to have a good earnings release. So I'll be watching, probably make the watch list for tomorrow. What else? Let's see. There was a good, ADVM from the AI. It's choppy in the 15-minute chart. It was an awesome early alert, and it was also in my watch list. So 12.27 and got as high as 14.30, but you can't walk away from something like this. It's basically almost where the alert happened. So. That's why we always say, a lot of these things are very, very, whippy, volatile. It's not like most of the, especially a bio. Let me just see how many shares are in the float on this one. That might tell me also. Yeah, it's not a super low floater, 62 million in the float, but just look at it. It did have some news this morning, but it's phase 1 data. So it's positive news, phase 1 data, positive news, a lot of enthusiasm pre-market. That's that area right there. Market open, and it just took off. But now, it's giving it all back. Who knows? It might even go, I doubt if it's going to go negative. It's still up 20%, but you just have to pay attention to these sort of trades. So anyway, I do want to get back into the room. Maybe I'm going to be a little more active tomorrow. The questions are starting to dry up a little bit. I was tons and tons of questions last week, of course, with a lot of people taking the test drive, and which is absolutely fine. That's why the room is there to answer questions. But obviously, we have more when we have people first-time users to the program. So I want to shut this down and get back into the room. So I'm just going to bring back the capture program and I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.